Mineral nutrition. The nutritional requirements of almost all the living organisms are same. That is, they need carbohydrates, fats, proteins to survive. In this chapter, we will be studying what sort of inorganic nutrients are required by plants for their growth and for their nutrition. Hydroponics is the method in which plant is grown on a suitable nutrient medium in the complete absence of soil. When we do so, we come to know which nutrient or which mineral element is required for the nutrition of the plant. Essential minerals and their criteria to be essential minerals. Essential minerals are the minerals which are required by the plants, and if they are not available, plants cannot survive. There are three criteria which tells us that a mineral is essential or not. First is, a plant will not be able to complete its life cycle without that mineral. That mineral is not replaceable. That is, no other mineral can be a substitute of it. That mineral is directly involved in the metabolism of that plant. Macro and micronutrients. Macronutrients are the nutrients which are required in large quantities, and micronutrients are the nutrients which are required in lesser quantity but are required. Their deficiency may lead to certain deleterious effects on the plants. Roles of macro and micronutrients. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is involved in protein synthesis, amino acid synthesis, hormone synthesis. Phosphorus. Phosphorus is required for nucleotide synthesis, nucleic acid synthesis and protein synthesis. Potassium. Potassium is responsible for the opening and closing of stomata, as well as it is responsible for protein synthesis. Calcium. Calcium is responsible for cell wall formation and mitotic spindle formation. Magnesium. Magnesium is responsible for the synthesis of DNA and RNA. Sulfur. Sulfur is responsible for the formation or is involved with certain coenzymes and vitamins. Iron. Iron activates the enzyme catalase, as well as iron is responsible for the formation of chlorophyll.